APU startup procedures can be found on the Brake Riders checklist, found on the GOM, the RON guide, MEPUBs. There should also be a copy on the flight deck, but they're very difficult to find. Step 1. Check the voltmeters and make sure you have a minimum of 25.5 minimum volts. Step 2. Press the on button on batteries 1 and 2. Make sure the APU fire button is in and guarded. Press the test button to test the alarm. Make sure the navigation logo lights are either to the 1 or 2 position. Press the APU master switch on and wait 12 seconds. Press the APU start switch. The on light will illuminate. The availability light will illuminate when up to speed. Confirm that the APU generator switch is in and that there is no fault lights. Confirm that there is no fault lights illuminated on the ventilation panel. Now watch these highly trained professionals perform the procedure.
Battery's on. Okay. APU master switch on, and then wait 12 seconds. You got a clock there. And it's 10 or 12 seconds. It doesn't have to be exactly 12. And then you start switch. And then you wait. I had learned the hard way with the alarm going off. So once it fires up, that's when I always test it.
Oh, really?
Beyond that's almost always on. Like I said, the only time I've ever seen that one was off was when maintenance had been doing some work with the aircraft. But it's like all the other ones, you can feel that it's indentation there, so you can tell that it's in the on position.
Yeah.
And then ventilation panel. That's almost, they're always, I don't know that I've ever seen them on.
Anti-collision, wait till later.
Yeah, and I always check your nav lights. They're either in the 1 or 2 position. I always just put them in 2.
The APU shutdown procedures can be found on the Brake Riders checklist, which is found on the GOM, the RON guide, MEPUBs. There should also be a copy on the flight deck, but they're very difficult to find. APU bleed switch in the off position. APU master switch in the off position. After APU shutdown, press batteries 1 and 2 off. Now watch these highly trained professionals perform the procedure.
Alright, the extra feature. Now, say we're at the gate and they plugged in the external power.
Okay.
When that's done.
At which point this light would come on and say available for external power. Okay. Say available. Alright. Press the button and it would switch over, and then that would say on. Alright. Once that says on, that means the external power is on to the aircraft. Then you turn your APU off.
You would still leave your air bleed on?
No, you would turn the bleed off. I'm sorry.
Bleed off first.
Turn the bleed off. Always turn that off before you shut the APU. Then turn the APU off, and then you'll watch that count down to 0. When you got ground power hooked up, that will count down to 0. Then when it gets to 0, it'll go like 2 double orange X's in there, letting you know the APU is off. Okay. And then when the APU is off, turn your batteries 1 and 2 off. Okay. Do not leave your batteries on.